Located in London, near Sky Garden, Tower of London and Borough Market, Lovet Homestay features free Wi-Fi. The family stay provides a dry cleaning service, as well as business facilities like fax and photocopying. London Bridge is 1.1 kilometers from Lovet Homestay, while Tower Bridge is 1 kilometer from the property. The nearest airport is London City Airport, 11.3 kilometers from the accommodation. City of London is a great choice for travelers interested in history, city trips and city walks. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.